Hi everyone, this is coming to you from Education for All. We are looking at question number 2 here under composite functions. The functions f and g are defined by f is such that x is mapped to the modulus function 9 minus 4x, and g is such that x is mapped to 3x minus 2. This one here, 9 minus 4x, put this straight line. This is simply a modulus function. It has its place in mathematics. We'll use it here and you'll see how it is used. These two straight lines, when you see them and there's an equation in between them, that function is a modulus function, they call it. You will see how these functions are used in mathematics. So now the first part of the question, it's better this way, asks us to find f of g of 6, and then the B part says find f of g of x equals x, just like the previous one. When they ask us to find the second part equated by 16, f of g of x equals 16. This time now is f of g of x equals to another variable instead of a constant. So let's start with the first part, A part, sum. Hope you can see clearly. The first part says find f of g of 6, f of g of 6. So this simply means f of g of 6. So what is g? We are told g is such that x is mapped to this equation. So that means it's 3x minus 2 all over 2. And we need x to be 6. That's what this means, f of g of 6. So this will be equal to f of 3 times 6. So I'll just put a dot. Multiplication. Let me put multiply by 6 minus 2 all over 2. So this is equals to f of 18 minus 2 all over 2. This is f of 18 minus 2, 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So you get f of 8. Find f of g of 16. So you get f of 8. It's not finished yet. But what is f of 8? We'll now come to this equation. This is f of 8. We'll now put f of 8. This is f of x. So which means we have f of 8. So in this equation now, you will have 9 minus 4 times x. Let me put it here. So this gives you 9 minus 4 times and 8. Still have this thing. So you have 9 minus 48, because 32. 4 times 8 is 32, yeah? 32. So what is 9 minus 32, or 32 minus 9, to say? 23, yeah? So you have minus 23. So one of the uses of these two lines you see, these two straight lines, a modulus function, we said earlier on, it's trying to tell you that whatever you have inside these two straight lines, that function is always positive. So if we have minus 23 here, we ignore the negative sign. So this is your final answer is 23. So this is one of the uses of this modulus functions, you see. Because we have a negative number inside these two straight lines, these two straight lines are telling us this number is going to be positive. So your final answer is 23 for this one. We'll now go to the second part in another video. Thank you for watching.